Digital Diversity, Democracy and Development Exploring Internet's Impact on Conflict Dynamics, Peace Building, Democracy and Regional Development in Northeast India HAIBA HEERAMDA YUMPHAM OIDUNA Numit Nini Pangthok Kadouba International Seminar Ngasi Manipur University Court Holder Houdok Khre Northeastern Social Research Center NESRC Amadi National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Nelitna Support Toduna Department of Political Science Manipur University Council of Social and Digital Development Amadi Northeast Development Foundation Sinduna Haudokiba Seminar Aduda Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh Manipur University School of Social Science Dean Professor Memsa Loitongbam Council for Social and Digital Development Guwahati Director Dr. Said Sultan Kazi Center for the Study of Developing Society Delegate Director Sanjay Kumar Amadi Manipur University Department of Political Science ki Head Professor N. Vision Mitena Mathang Singna Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oina Saruyaki Seminar Aduda Department Singi Mahiroi Kayasu Saruyaki